friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Friends, are you looking for the random reviews? If yes, then watch this video as today I will share the random reviews. Friends, let me tell you that this is not our website, so if you have never ordered anything from this website, then this video will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I will share the way to get your money back. So let's get started. The Redom is gaining the attention of individuals in the United States. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that the products available are hair growth lasers, which are cordless and rechargeable with voice guided treatment tracking. Now let's talk about other information related to payments. So here we can see that buy now, pay later option is available where customers can receive their product and can pay over time. Let's check the shipping information now. So here we can see that the estimated shipping time is not directly stated and shipping is free in the United States. Before going further, friends, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon because this will boost our spread to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of the website. So guys, the Redom have SSL certification and is protected through HTTPS protocol. Therefore, the information you send or get through the site is safe, which is a good sign. And talking about the registration date of the domain name, so it was created on 4th May 2009. Thus, the website have much traffic as it is into existence from many past years. Now, let's take a look at About Us section. So here we can see that the Redom is a Silicon Valley medical therapy company that delivers some of world's most technologically advanced laser hair growth devices for hair loss. They understand the difficulty of hair loss and bring clinical strength hair growth therapies into the home. Above all, their commitment is to the restore hair health and confidence of people all around the globe. Now, let's check the way to contact them. So, in frequently asked questions, we could find an email ID and the contact number. So, the contact number is provided and the email ID is support@theredom.com. So, let's check their refund policy now. For return, they accept the request of return till 180 days from the date of purchase of the product, and refund, if applicable, will be initiated within certain time period by subtracting the shipping cost and interest charges. Friends, if you have any queries regarding return refund, do mention us in the comment section below. And talking about the Redom reviews, guys, so we could find many positive reviews on the official website and other reliable website where customers have stated that this product is helping them in such a way that no other product would have done. So here we can see that the before and after images shared by the customers and where they have stated many positive reviews with 5 stars. So in the final conclusion, I would like to inform our viewers that the Redom is a legit website since it is in the market from the year 2009 and it had won many awards for the quality of the product, and many positive reviews are accessible on trustworthy websites. Addition to it, all the essential details are disclosed on the official website, which indicates that the intention of the owner of the website is not to cheat its customers. And friends, If you have ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback with us in the comment section below. And if you have any money related problems, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Friends, please like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon because this will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Thank you guys. Stay safe, stay informed.